the last one, we'll see. But if not, second last one anyway. So here we are. 8th, 9th, I have no idea. Like, they'll be out every 3 days, kind of spreading them out a little bit. So I appreciate anybody who comes to videos. Here at the 52nd Animal back to the 50s. So look at this bad boy. Oh. That's a beautiful Impala. Jesus. That thing is, again, Route 56, man, right there. 59 Impala. Hell yeah. Oh my. Look at that bad boy. Labor of love right there, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it is. See, I go all the way down there, but I gotta work my way back to the vehicle. There's more up here. I don't know, we'll go this way. We'll see what's up here. I think there's some up this way. We'll work our way back that way and hopefully get back into the mainstream. So there's one over there. See, there's a whole bunch. It's just, I could do, I got 3 batteries. I mean, I could do 20 videos today. Bunch over there, see. They're just parked everywhere. There's my office. We'll cruise over here, come around, and see what's over here. Oh. That bad boy, that's nice. We'll go that way. We'll see what's over there. Now, I think I might. No, that's kind of nice. Yeah, there's some over here. So we'll cruise over here. That's the grandstand where the concert's at. So yeah, we'll go in the back way. We'll fill some time. So that's where the bands come into. This Minnesota State Fair. That's in August. Coming up. I don't do those videos anymore because no one cares. It's hard to enjoy when you're trying to video. I take pictures. There we go. We made it. There are other vehicles over here. Like I said, they're all over the place. There's a wagon over there. A couple over there. That's a nice one over there. So you can just, you just go and go and go. And a lot of them are for sale. Got the girth and the money and the time. Hell yeah. Look at that. Sitting underneath there. Looks like it's a real, oh, it's under the bed. Oh no. Look at that purple one. Good. Yep, all kinds of people keeping hope alive, man, with the vehicles. It's good to see, man. Keeping history alive. I'm a big history guy. Read, travel, meet people. People waiting in line for food. So, let's work our way down this way. Yeah, there go snowmobiles. Not that bad. Fooling around, nice. That's a nice pink. Save the boobies, man. Another Bonneville. What year is this one? 64. Nice. Love Bonneville girls. And this is a fun vehicle to drive. Route 56. Another Bonneville right here. Nice. Put the top down, dude. Look at that. Nice engine, that bad boy. Oh yeah. She's getting ready for the parade. You gotta watch out for these scooters, they'll run you right over, man. That's a nice blue. Nice. Here we go. Chevelle. Second one I've seen of these. Same color right there, I love it. 64 El Camino Chevelle. Very nice. Very rare car right here. Very rare. Well, yeah, as you can see, it's a constant flow of cars and trucks. That bad boy. 434. I love it. It's classic. Nice. Look at this bad boy. Oh. 64 SS. Nice. Love the blue. Love Impalas. That's a rare vehicle right there, but no one really cares about it. It's cool. Chevelle. Look at that. Oh, look at this color. Something unique. Something more substantial. Very nice. What time is it anyways? Work my way back to the vehicle. All right. We'll take care of that behavior. There you go. Look at that. Very, very nice. $1,600. Nice. Very nice. So many different vehicles. Oh, and the Etzel over here. Yep. Two-door Etzel. Not bad, boy. '59 Etzel. Scandinavian, very nice. Classic vehicle. I don't care what it says. I think it's great. Yep.
Livingston is parked down there. No, you guys down below there, down by the ice cream court. Yeah, I think that's where he is, on a giant slide.
That's a nice vehicle right there. Very nice. See. One thing about here at State Fair, it's hard to find a bathroom. That's a nice vehicle. That's cool. That's Sue Ellen's favorite place, tater tot place.
Why they threw those loud airplanes?
Oh, I see a bathroom up there. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll go down here, use the restroom. But I gotta go potty really bad. That way I can get in the car and go home. So we'll go up here a little bit, walk back, and we'll use the can. Getting kind of crowded in here. Too bad I couldn't find my favorite vehicles. Ah, I've seen this before. Oh my word, look at this. Oh no. Oh my goodness, this is supposed to be a family show. Ranchero. That's kind of cool. People read my shirt and don't know what to say. All right. Oh, here it comes. This was a nice one right here. Classic. Families all in there. They had the time of their life. All right, we're gonna go use the can, the bathroom. All right. We'll go by with one more. Anyway, all right.